morning to all. I, Dr. Tarun Sharma, Assistant Professor of Mathematics in Biani Group of College. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on a vector calculus. In vector calculus, we will discuss some operators, some differential operators. In this lecture, we will show that what is del operator, what is gradient operator, what is divergence operator, and what is curl and Laplacian operator. By one, we will discuss some mathematical expression of these operator. So first of all, we will show that what is del operator. In mathematical form, the del operator is denoted by del is equal to I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z, where this symbol is known as del operator, and the mathematical expression of this symbol is denoted by this. In similar manner, we can see that the gradient operator is this del dot f. Here f is the differentiable vector point function. So we can say that the gradient operator is denoted by del f is equal to grad f is equal to I del f by del x plus del f by del y plus k del f by del z. Similarly, divergence operator is also the form of differential operator. If we, in the mathematical form, we say that if function f, which is a function of x, y, z, is a differentiable vector point function, then it is denoted by I del f by del x plus j del f by del y plus k del f by del z into f. In the mathematical form, it is represented by I del f by del x plus j del f by del y plus k del f by del z. In short way, we can say that it can also be represented by summation of I del f by del x. So we can say that del operator is denoted by this way, gradient operator is denoted by this way, and divergence operator denoted by this way. It is a mathematical form of del, divergence, and gradient operator. Similarly, when we multiply del operator by itself, then we can say del dot del, then it is known as Laplacian operator, and the mathematical form of Laplacian operator is denoted by this way. So we can say that
my college taught me to be modern and ethical.
My college told me I can. My college told me to be bold and daring.
My college taught me to say sorry.
My college taught me to be independent.
My college taught me to be helpful. My college made me believe in myself.
My college taught me to enjoy my life.
Biani group of colleges, yes, where you can trust.
Del dot del is nothing, the normal vector multiplication of these both operators. So we said that when we multiply this into this, then we get del 2 is equal to del 2 by del x square plus del 2 by del y square plus del 2 by del z square. Similarly, the curl operator is also given by this way. If f of x, y, z be a differentiable vector point function, then the curl operator is given by this del cross f, I cross del f by del x plus j cross del f by del y plus k cross del f by del z. It is a cross product operator. So we can say that in the differential operator, we have basically 4 operators: del operators, divergence, gradient, and curl operators. Similarly, in this way, we will show that some applications, some properties of these operator in the next lecture. So in this lecture, we have just brief review what is the operators and how can we represent in mathematical way. Thank you for watching this video. In the next lecture, we will show that some applications, some mathematical results, some theorems of these operator. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe GuruKpo channel, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much.